This is the Kia Soul EV, the first generation of the EV. And if the air conditioner doesn't work in your Kia Soul, it may be the problem with the air conditioner system, and you need to check if there is the refrigerant of proper levels. But first of all, you may check the fuses, and you need to open the bonnet, the hood. Here's the lever for the hood, and here is the fuse box. It's not that hard to get to. So take the cover off, and here you have also the map. There's some spare fuses, and in this fuse box you need to find the fuse IG32. This is AC compressor and AC control module fuse, 10 amp fuse. So here you have the 10 amp fuse to replace it with, and basically maybe this will solve the problem. Also, some fuses are located in the interior fuse panel, which is here. It is also the fuse map, and in this fuse box, here it is, you will need to find the heated mirror 10 amp fuse, air con 7.5 amp fuse, this air conditioner fuse, and IOD4 fuse. This is instrument cluster and AC control module. So AC control module fuse. These fuses may help you, but in most cases, when this AC doesn't work, the problem is actually with the refrigerant pressure in the system, and you will need to check it with the help of professional equipment.